Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to connect your donor drive fundraising campaign to StreamElements so that you can get donation notifications and other information from your campaign on your stream. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in at streamelements.com. I'm going to log in with my Twitch. If you're already logged into Twitch, it'll just log you in when you click that button. There we go. Good old dashboard. So from the dashboard, we're going to go up to our profile icon. We'll click on it, and then we will click on our channel. If you have more than one channel, like say you have your YouTube connected as well, just click on your Twitch channel again. So when you click up here, you click on that, it'll take you to another one, and you can go to channel settings at the bottom. So now that we're in our settings, we can go over to the integrations tab, and you can see there's Tiltify and Donor Drive. We are using Donor Drive for this, so we'll hit connect. And we need our charity name. The charity we are supporting, or at least I am supporting, is Be the Match. And now I need my participant ID. So if you have set up your Twitch extension for your actual Twitch page and connected it to Donor Drive, you probably already have your participant ID because it's needed for that as well. If you have not signed up for your Donor Drive campaign, you should sign up then. To grab my participant ID, because I don't remember it off the top of my head, I am going to, for Be the Match, their donor drive is wesavelives.bethematch.org. And, it looks like I'm already logged in. So from here, we can see all of my stuff. And if I go to my page, it will say right here at the top, participant ID. So there's an event ID, which is tied to the overall event, the Stream the Match event. But we want our participant ID, which is this one right here, right up at the top. So now that we have that, I can put in 7622 and hit save. And there we go. So now it is connected. But just because it's connected doesn't mean anything's going to happen. So what we need to do now is go to Streaming Tools on the left, My Overlays, and let me make a new overlay. I mean, we also have campaigns. You can do it there. But I'm just going to do a new overlay. This is going to open a new page. Most people stream in 1080p. You can make this whatever size you would like. I will do it 1080p. So now that we have our new overlay, I'm going to call this Donor Drive Alerts. And I will add a widget. You can name this whatever you like, by the way. I will add a widget. And then down here, there's charity and seasonal. We'll go to charity. We have Donor Drive Donation Alert Box. Lovely, lovely. Okay, so you can make this any size you want. From here, you get to customize it however you would like. I'm going to keep this default stuff just for now. And if I hit emulate and do other, Donor Drive, boom, it works. So it works in here, which is great. And you can have, there's text to speech settings. You can change the image. You can do everything you need to do. You can even change a little video. So there's lots of stuff you can do. Feel free to customize it however you would like. And what I am going to do, let's turn this down to, I don't know, maybe 5 seconds. There we go. And I'm going to hit save so that it updates. And now I will copy overlay URL right up here. And this is going to get a little crazy. In OBS, I'm going to add a browser source. If I can see it, display source browser. There it is. And we will call this DD Alerts. Okay. And it's going to pop this open. You put in your URL, so we'll paste that in here. And since we made our canvas in StreamElements 1920 by 1080, which is what 1080p is, we'll do, if I can type, 1920 by 1080. We can leave this this custom CSS in here. What this does is it makes the page transparent. You could shut it down when it's not visible. I don't recommend it, just because you never know when someone's going to donate. So page permissions, read access, that's fine. All we need to do is see it. So we'll hit OK. And this DD alerts is on here. And there we go. So I'm going to pull this off to the side so you don't have to see it anymore. And we can just go to any other page. Actually, no. We can go here. And now You should see it twice since I have preview live on stream, and we can do other donor drive, and now you see it twice. And even if I go off, there it is. It's overlaid on the stream exactly where I wanted it. If I wanted to, oh, it's a little mad because it's animating, but if I save that and I emulate it one more time, donor drive, now you can see it's over there. It has moved. So you can move it here, you can move it in OBS, you can do whatever you like. But there we go. That is the basic donation alerts set up in StreamElements, which I prefer over Streamlabs, to be honest. You can also add other widgets. So those are layers. I don't want to look at layers. Let me add a widget with the blue button. Here we go. So there are other things, labels. Let's see, charity and seasonal, charity. You can also add a donor drive donation tracker. So here's our donor drive goal. And so you can add a custom, a bit more customizable thermometer here. So you can show a percentage, you can do a condensed one. You can change some of these settings, position, size, and style, change the text settings, and you can also change the colors to be whatever you like. I currently have nothing donated on this campaign, so it won't show anything, but there's a few things for you. Let's take a look in here. So we got stream chat. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here if you're not familiar with StreamElements that you can put in here. Let's see, donor drive, Tiltify, text. You can add a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, look at that. You can even build a custom widget using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you are really fancy, you can actually use donor drive. Does have an API. You can get an API endpoint. You can query their server and it'll return to you the information that you ask for. So you could get most recent donations and a bunch of other things as you would see fit, but that's a bit more technical. One thing to note, if you are going to use this this thermometer, it just shows you the donor drive goal, the amount in percent, and then that. I don't know if it will give you, let's see if there's, yeah, there's only custom fonts and stuff. So this one compared to the one that is supplied by donor drive. So if I go into my, back to my little panel here, and I go to my dashboard, there should be a link somewhere in view page, donations, event info. Maybe it's not in the dashboard. Maybe it's on my page because I have a stream. Somewhere in here. Is that edit? Here we go. You edit your stream. You can link your stream on your dashboard, which I recommend. You can copy the graphic overlay to your stream. And that's a fundraising thermometer similar to this, but it does give you, let me just add here. I'll add it. Another browser source, and we'll call this the thermometer. So again, just like the other one, a new browser source. I'm going to paste this one from donor drive in, make that 1920 by 1080 as well, because it's already scaled for 1080p. And we can hit OK. And now you can see it up at the top. So this is already colored to be the match. It has the thermometer on the left side, but then it will show you top donors on the right, as well as recent donations. So if that is a feature that you would like on your stream, I recommend using that for, I recommend using the built-in donor drive thermometer. Unless you wanted to go, unless you would like to customize, exactly what the text on it is, or at least the font, how it looks. If you want to customize the look and feel of it and you don't necessarily need or want the top donor and most recent donations information, then feel free to use this. Feel free to do whatever you'd like. So that is it. That is all. We've done it. So feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Discord is the best way to get a hold of me. You can also email me. My name is Jason Wild. I go by the Plaid Ginger. My email is jason.wild@elfest.org. And my Discord is theplaidginger1135. And it's capital T, capital P, capital G. So thank you so much and happy fundraising.